Hey everyone, welcome back to Wonder Wheels. Today we're checking out the Ecovolt 25, an electric vehicle that's turning heads with its futuristic design and eco-friendly performance. Let's dive into what makes this car unique and see if it lives up to the hype. First things first, take a look at this design. The Ecovolt 25 is bold and modern, with smooth lines and a dynamic shape. It's got that clean aerodynamic look that not only looks cool, but also helps it maximize efficiency on the road. One of the standout features on the Ecovolt 25 is its energy-efficient LED lighting system, which not only brightens the road, but also gives the car a distinct look, especially at night. And check out these wheels, they're lightweight, designed to reduce drag and add to the overall eco-friendly vibe of the car. Now let's talk power. This car is equipped with a state-of-the-art electric motor and a high-capacity battery that gives you an impressive range on a single charge. Whether you're commuting to work or planning a weekend getaway, the Ecovolt 25 promises to get you there efficiently and sustainably. Plus, charging is a breeze. In just about 30 minutes, you can get up to 80% charge using a fast charger. Moving inside, you're greeted with a minimalist yet high-tech interior. The Ecovolt 25 features a spacious cabin with premium materials and advanced tech. Everything is centered around this beautiful touchscreen display, which gives you access to navigation, entertainment, and a ton of customization options for your driving experience. And speaking of driving experience, the Ecovolt 25 comes with adaptive driving modes, which let you switch between eco, comfort, and sport, depending on how you're feeling or the road conditions. And with features like lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control, it feels like this car practically drives itself. Performance-wise, the Ecovolt 25 is no slouch. It's got plenty of torque, so you can feel that instant acceleration, making it a lot of fun to drive. It handles well on city streets and highways, and even on rougher roads, the suspension keeps things smooth and comfortable. So, who is the Ecovolt 25 really for? Well, if you're someone looking to reduce your carbon footprint while enjoying a modern, stylish and tech-packed ride, this could be the perfect choice for you. It's an electric car that doesn't compromise on performance or style, and that's something we can definitely get behind. Thanks for joining me today on Wonder Wheels. If you enjoyed this look at the Ecovolt 25 and want to see more reviews of the latest cars, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment on what you'd like to see next. Until next time, keep wondering and keep driving.